Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable push notifications on iVisa account. So first we're going to go to our iVisa app. As I told you, you guys could get it in the Play Store or App Store. So next we're going to click on our profile section. Then again we're going to click on settings, which is found on the top right corner. Then as you can see, the notifications option is turned on. We're going to turn it off, so we won't receive any notifications proceeding from now on. So this is how you do it. It's an easy step. As you guys know, we also have different how-to tutorials in our YouTube page. Make sure to check them out. They're so descriptive. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.